A few years ago, I asked myself, how could we make the most authentic pilot watch?
I was hoping you could tell me about that aircraft, the X-15, as if I knew nothing of it.
In the cockpit and fly down a little faster as you expanded the envelope, a little higher. Pretty soon you were flying high enough and fast enough to go into space.
Hey Kickstarter, my name is Oscar and I'd like to share with you a bit of my story. Since 2019, I've been working on a special passion project of mine, and after 2 years of hard work and development, I'm proud to present a watch that pays a special tribute to NASA's most daring aeronautical project ever, the North American X-15. Its first flight was in 1959, yet 62 years later, its flight altitude and speed records have stood the test of time. It's a testament not only to its legendary achievements, but also to its legendary test pilots. Speaking of which, we've actually collaborated with the last living X-15 test pilot, Major General Joe H. Engel, and I'd like him to tell you what he thinks about our watch.
Something that you would need to hand to a bunch of fighter pilots because they're not very easy on jewelry. So no, I think it's very, very good looking, easy to read. I like it very much.